Good morning everyone. Today we will discuss about electric current and its effects. What is you must have observed electrical cables or wires going around your house. There are the switches, tube lights, fans and many electrical appliances connected through the socket and plug. First of all, we will discuss about the electric circuit. What is the electric circuit? Electric circuit, the continuous path of flow of electricity through the various electrical components connected to a source of electricity is called the electrical circuit. It is clear? Now in simple way we can write the closed part the closed path through which electric current can flow the closed path through which electric current flows is called an electric circuit. Clear definition? What is the electric circuit? The closed path through which electric current can flow is called an electric circuit. There are the two types of the circuit. One is the closed and second is open. Second is open circuit. Closed circuit, the circuit in which electric current flows. The circuit in which electric current flows from the positive terminal of the cells to the negative terminal through all the components in the circuit is called the closed circuit. What I'm drawing the diagram of the circuit. Should I rub this? It is clear. Electric circuit, the closed path through which electric current can flow is called an electric circuit. You understand from this? The closed path through which electric current can flow is called an electric circuit. It is the two types. One is the closed circuit, second is the open circuit. We are discussing the closed circuit. The circuit in which electric current flows. Circuit in which electric current is flow through all the components. Components in the circuit is called closed circuit. Clear this? I am drawing the diagram of the closed circuit. This is wire. Not visible. This is the closed circuit. Here, the circuit in which the electric current is flow through all the components. Component, it means cell. This is cell. This is bulb. This is switch. And this is wire. Components in the circuits is called the closed circuit. It has the four parts. A circuit has the four parts: cell, bulb, switch and wire. Open circuit. This is closed circuit, is clear. The circuit in which electric current is flows through all the components in the circuit is called the closed circuit. Now, open circuit. Open circuit, the circuit in which electrical contact, the circuit in which electrical contact is broken down the circuit in which electrical contact is broken is called open circuit. This is cell. This is bulb. Here is switch. Now this circuit is broken because switch is the opposition. There is no contact. Here, I think you have seen or not, you have seen there is no contact and circuit is not complete, this is known as open circuit. Clear? So what is the electric circuit? The path of the electricity passes through the circuit is known as the electric circuit, and it is the two types. One is the open and second is the closed. Closed circuit, the path of electricity pass through the circuits or all the components of the circuit is known as the closed circuit, and open circuit, the circuit in which electric contact is broken down in any point, is called the open circuit.